everyone, I'm Anaga Madan and welcome to Not an Interview with Anaga Madan. So actually, this is my first time doing this, and what makes it very comforting is that everyone who's in the room with me today, it's also their first time doing this. I'm joined by two lovely, brilliant dancers, Maya, who's in her grade 5 and grade 6 of ballet and is homeschooled, and Kiara, who's in grade 2 of ballet and goes to Akia school. So what brings these two dancers together is that both of them had the lovely opportunity to go to the West End Musical Theatre Intensive in Dubai. Let's get into it. Was this your first intensive?
Yes, it was my first intensive, and I've been wanting to go to one for a really long time. So, yes.
It was my first intensive too, and by the sound of it, I thought it was going to be so amazing. I was actually so amazing.
Oh, I'm glad it lived up to your expectations then. So then, for both of you, it's like a brand new experience. What did you feel like? Were you nervous when you were about to leave?
Yeah, I was super nervous because I'd never done anything like that before. I mean, I'd done summer school here, but never anything abroad and with completely new people. I was really excited, but yeah, I was pretty stressed.
Yeah, understandable.
I was pretty nervous for the first day of the intensive because I barely knew the teachers, I barely knew anyone over there, and I didn't think it was easy to make over friends or easily. So, but then it got so much more easier because I found out that one of my friends that I had made over there from the intensive stays in the same hotel as me.
What? That's so fun. That's lovely. It's always nice to have a familiar face around. Yeah. So why did you guys pick this intensive in particular?
Well, actually, Miss Yana had mentioned this intensive to me and my parents some time back. We were speaking to her about like what intensives I could do, and she said there's this intensive called West End Stage in London. Then we were researching and looking it up, and we realized that they also hold the same workshop in Dubai as well. So we said, it's lucky. So we decided to go.
Even Miss Yana told my parents, and then it was pretty easy to just because when my parents told me, I was like, I want to pack my things. I'm going to Dubai.
Yeah.
I was super excited.
Okay. So were you looking for musical theatre in specific? Because this is not ballet in general.
We're looking for musical theatre and ballet, but ballet I decided to go a little later on, like when I'm in a slightly higher grade, so I can get the most out of like the senior intensives. This one was like all age groups, so I thought I'll start off with this like a small step and then
Me, I wasn't really looking for anything because it was next to my exam time. But then musical theatres, I do like musical theatres a lot. This opportunity just came up and I decided to take it.
So what was the process of getting into it? Like, did you have to do auditions or?
No, this was an open program, so there were no auditions. We just had to fill a form, and if there was availability, they would. I think it got sold out pretty quickly.
Yeah, pretty quickly.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm going to paint a picture here. So your passport in hand in Bigota International Airport and your suitcases are all packed. So what is your feeling just before you go to study?
Lots of excitement, but like some trepidation also because it was first.
Yeah. What about you?
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to dance out, do my acting, sing out, everything I have, and then perform the best.
That's so lovely.
So excited.
Yeah, I wish I had some of that energy in my life. So now you're there, you're in the intensive. What were your feelings on your first day before you stepped into the class?
There were 90 participants at the intensive, so that was huge. And like from I think 4-year-olds to like 17, 18-year-olds. So it was a vast range. So just soaking in the atmosphere.
Oh yeah. What about
Same
you?
here. I got to know that there were 92 people. I honestly thought that there were just going to be like 50 to 40 to 60. There were groups.
Yeah.
So I was like, it's not going to be stuffy. It's going to be good.
Yeah. So you were mentioning you saw all these different people. So did you see a lot of people of different nationalities?
Yeah, there were lots of it was completely varied nationalities because Dubai is like a melting pot of different cultures.
True.
I think most of the people there actually were from
Okay.
Yeah.
The few who
Most
came
of them
over.
were from Dubai and from the same school that was held there.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like I told someone that I am not from Dubai, and and I told someone I'm homeschooled, and they said, "So how did you find out about this?" I think I think it's something like that's posted on their school notice board, and then that's how it goes.
Yeah. They're like, oh my god, you're not from under a rock? What? How do you know? What do you mean? Yeah. So you were saying there were 92 people, right? So did you guys end up being in the same class or were you split up?
No, we were like since different age groups,
Right.
obviously.
Yeah.
Like I'm 12 and 17. So,
They were split by color, so it was like yellow, red, yellow,
yellow,
and blue.
Oh, okay. So it's like those schoolhouses again. Yeah.
So yeah, on the stage they would yell out red group to this class, blue group to that class, this class.
Oh my god, that sounds like war management, you know. So now, what was a day in the intensive life like? What was your schedule, your classes, your breaks?
So it started at 7:30 in the morning,
Okay.
and there would be half an hour of group warm up on the stage. This was with all the three groups together. Yes, that was actually the only time we really saw each other. Other than
we would get divided into classes. Like she would get singing, and then I would get drama, and the other would get.
We'd have 3 sessions all together in the morning.
Okay.
It was roughly like
1.5 years.
sometimes a little more. The warm up was like a dance warm up and then a singing one. Like,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Like,
both warm up.
Oh.
And then we'd go to our classes, which would be up until lunchtime. Then 1:30 we'd have a special like short master class at the end of each
so
day.
one day
okay.
she had Mamma Mia, and
Yeah,
then one day I
yeah.
had Sherry.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
A teacher come in and then tell us how to make a story, how to build
Yeah. So like improv exercises and stuff. And the good thing about the master classes was that the teachers had actually been in those musicals.
Oh,
So,
wow.
like,
Okay.
the dance teacher had been in Mamma Mia, and then he taught us
Right.
original choreography from the show that
Yeah.
we did. So that was
That was really
Special.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, don't hate me for this, but y'all mentioned singing warm-ups, and I know that they're usually weird, like vocal cords. Y'all do some.
Oh yeah.
Can you show us some? Let's go for it. Yes, show me. I think we should do the can one. That's
Yeah.
the most fun.
My dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish finds it very difficult. And my dog, he can do the can better than my cat can, but my goldfish finds it very hard. And then like with this, when like the dog or the animal comes, we just do like animal something. My dog, he can do the can better than my meow can, but my goldfish finds it very difficult. My dog, he can do the can better than my meow can, but my goldfish finds it very hard.
Wow. Okay, so this just honestly sounds like goldfish hatred. Like, come on, justice for the goldfish, guys. So this sounds like an entire day filled with singing and dance, and both of you mentioned you love that. So how was it? It was like no subjects like, biology
Yeah.
and history. What did that feel like?
So I felt like it was like since in one day, like my school hours are the same as that. So in a day, I probably have history, geography, science in the morning. The two, like I'm like no, not happening anymore. So then I got to do like warm up, singing, vocals. I got to be myself over there. I got to participate in so many things. Such an amazing experience.
Yeah, it was like a dream come true. Like that's just I want to do that every day.
Oh, that's so nice.
It was the best.
So I want to ask you this one question. Did you guys have to convince your parents? Like, was it an easy yes, or did you have to be extra good to be like, guys, no, I'm such a good person. Come on, let me go. Yeah.
No, my parents were like, we went on this journey together. I said I want to do this. And like, okay, let's find it. They were really excited.
Oh,
Actually, over here was the opposite for me. So my parents got to know about this from Miss Yana, obviously.
Yeah.
So they were like, Kiara, do you want to go to this intensive? It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. At the minute I said yes, I'm like, yeah, I'm going. I don't care if I miss any one exams. I'm going. I don't care. I'm doing this.
So did you end up missing any exams? Is this like some tips for people? Oh, never mind. Okay.
Right after the day I had exam.
Oh.
Like after the day.
Okay, guys. So I want to know, what were your must-haves while packing? Like, what did you make sure that was in your bag? Triple check and all.
Not a lot of things. Like when I come to ballet class, I have such a big bag filled with a million things. But this time I said I'm going to take a few things only.
Minimalistic life.
Yeah. So one thing that was important to me is a notebook, like a diary where at the end of the day I just like write down stuff to remember for the next day or just like nice things that happened.
Oh, that's so nice. Yeah.
I have a few notes.
Okay, everybody get ready to take screenshots for when Maya's a huge dancer.
Stop it. So like I've told myself to count the intro after the singer says yeah. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4 immediately, then lunch. And so like just stuff that you have to remember. And like here I written no dying day. No what? No dying day.
No, 90s.
Me when I decide to live today.
No, there's a song which had the lyric, and our group was not supposed to sing that. So
Oh, okay.
then my jazz shoes,
Oh yeah, they're very different from the
Yeah.
yeah.
trusty shoes. Yes. So
They're so cute.
okay, this is just specific to that. A lip balm.
Okay. Yeah.
This was in an AC international school.
Oh wow.
So it got dry. Lunch.
Lunchbox. Yes.
Because when you get there, then we were staying in a service apartment, so that makes
okay.
and take it.
Yeah.
To if
Of course, yeah.
to dance. So I took a box.
Yeah. yeah.
Firstly, this may seem a bit weird, but I love this jacket, okay? I got it like 2 years back and I can't stop wearing it. It's like literally overworn, it's dirty, it's everything.
No, I get it. I can't write exams unless I'm wearing a particular sweater.
This jacket wasn't very much must have. I wore it like everywhere.
Okay.
Every single place I went. I made sure to carry these because these are like activewear. I carry toiletry kit because sanitizer is important. Hygiene.
Oh, one more important thing for this particular thing, because it had singing, they encouraged us to like record when we sang on a
So
phone.
definitely
Okay.
my phone. Yeah,
exactly.
definitely.
So on the first day, I didn't have any phone. I
Oh.
had a button phone which like ran out of storage in 3 seconds. So I had to borrow my mom's phone the next day, because then we would in class like hold it up while we sang, and then you could go home and listen
Yeah,
to that. And,
right.
because we had
Right.
harmonies and all kinds of stuff that was
Yeah,
you can't just
okay.
listen to it on YouTube and practice.
Okay, so getting back to your classes, what were your classes like? Were they very different from what you have here, or what did it feel?
But it was focused on the show because we had like 5 days for the
Right.
teachers to put on a 1-hour production. So they were
Wow. Okay, let's get this done. Yeah.
So it was not so much like technique exercises. I'm talking about the dance, but it was like a warm up and then immediately into learning choreography, retaining choreography, guiding choreography. So it was very rehearsal. It was more rehearsal than class.
Okay.
My dance, I would say, my routine was very hip hoppy,
Okay.
and then it not compared to like technique at all, like what Maya said just now.
Yeah.
It was like throwing like freestyling snowy moves.
Wow.
Like in our dance, in one part, one was like break dancing, two people were doing cartwheels and aliens, and it was just
Wow.
yeah.
Okay, so you guys were mentioning recording to like practice your harmonization and all. So did you guys have like homework to go back and do? Oh, that looks like you had a lot of homework.
Yeah, they would tell us like you have to do this, and you better like have all this right by tomorrow, because I mean it was a huge task for them, right? They have to get it all looking presentable
Yeah.
in this much time.
So
So
what shows like just 92 people. So
yeah, so we would have to practice the songs, practice the dances, and
that's
then,
our scripts.
yeah, like memorize our lines for acting. Yeah, that there were not many lines, but they were for to learn in like one day. They were right. Yeah, so I would come home and then I would practice everything for like maybe 45 minutes to an hour before
Okay.
sleeping.
Yeah.
And then the next day morning I would revise the script and songs again before leaving.
Okay.
To go.
Right.
Like while I'm eating breakfast, I'm like, so, yeah, just trying to get it all in. There was so much information.
What did you guys eat?
So me and my dad, only me and my dad had traveled.
Okay.
So my mom, she packed up a load of snacks. Okay, like 2 packets, like 2 huge bags of snacks. Okay. So one thing I carried was thepla, which is like meathi paratha. So I love that a lot. So I took that. Snacks, I would take like some chips or like some chocolates. Yeah.
I would take a mixed bowl mixed box, I guess. With like, we would go to the supermarket in the evenings and we would get a lot of ingredients like hummus and like chickpeas.
Oh, wow,
and, like,
okay.
olives and like
So you made a salad baking.
Yeah, so it was really satisfying and filling.
Did you miss any food from here?
I love dal bati, but then opposite going to my pants on, and then that will have fungus and it's body. So it would be dal bati. But then my second thing would be Thekla. Okay. So I would back that like some place with different industry over here. Second thing, I just got that nostalgia that takes me into the other side with some place with different industry.
Because I really like Arabic food actually. So eating all their different dips and then the
Yeah. So it must have been the best quality.
stuff, very clean, dolmas and also I really
Wow. Okay.
We were just enjoying picking up stuff from the supermarket.
Right. Hey guys, so now we've traveled through your intensive. So we've come to the last day of your intensive. So I want to know, when you look back, do you have any favorite class or a favorite instructor?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay, let's go. Yes.
My favorite instructor was probably the acting teacher.
Okay.
Like his name was Dan, and he would make everything so humorous, so funny.
Yeah.
And then at the same time, he would also be like strict, not a little bit. Like we would play games to remember our scripts. Like one time we were just like laying on the ground.
Okay.
And then all of us, okay, we just like lay on the ground. And then we have to say numbers from 1 to how much ever we go. But the thing is that only like we don't know who's telling it. So I say 1. You say 2 and then she says 2. Then we're out.
It's harder than you think. Everyone starts like screaming and like there's so much tension in the room.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Who's gonna say it? Should it be me? And then two people decide to say it at the same time.
Yeah. So y'all were mentioning this show, right? The thing that you were working towards. What was that?
So it was this Cinderella mashup, reimagined Cinderella kind of thing.
Wow. Okay.
Cinderella but modern.
Yeah, like
Wow,
the
okay.
ballroom dance was Saturday Night Fever.
Oh my god.
And then the songs were from different musicals and different other songs as well.
Ah, okay.
And the script was Cinderella but with 92 characters, so everybody got a part.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So it
So
was
there wouldn't be like one person who has them all
All the
lines.
lines.
I was an English stepmother, and then I thought I would have like 5, 10 lines, okay, easily. But then I just had 3. And those 3 lines, like, actually described everything I was talking about.
the show was broken into 3 pieces. Like the little children who had the first
Right.
part of the story.
Okay.
Yeah. They had the ballroom
Yeah.
scene.
All dance.
And then we had the end scene, like where the prince is looking for Cinderella.
Okay.
So in the theatre class, we had auditions
Yeah.
for this,
Yes.
where they would give us the script, and then we would all
Like,
read out line by line,
Yeah.
like going in a circle, just one line each, whatever line you get, whichever character. And then the next day, he
Gave the
gave out the parts. So she was a stepmother, and I was a stepsister.
Oh. So I should just keep shoes away from you guys.
Yeah, you should watch out.
Yeah.
You should watch out. You never know
Oops.
what
Oh my god, watch me move away a little bit.
So
And I actually got very lucky. I like the dance I was just doing, that was just one part.
Okay.
But that whole dance focused on me.
Wow. Okay.
It's like very sassy, very like, yeah.
Yeah. So how was the show? What were your feelings like after the show?
well, I was just really sad it got over so fast. Like I wanted like 3 weeks more of it. So before it was just like this whole rush of like adrenaline.
Yeah,
like,
of course.
But afterwards you're like, it's over already. And like I want to do it all again.
Yeah. I remember my dad taking a video, like a full thing, and then the curtains closed, everybody was clapping, and then a huge noise of just us cheering behind. That felt so amazing. Like we finished one amazingly big thing, and then I was like, I wish I could have done it again because I know now that the things I didn't do properly, I would have slayed it now.
Yeah. So do you guys have anything specific that you accomplished in the intensive that you're super proud of?
I definitely accomplished a lot more confidence.
Oh, that's good.
And
Yeah.
I like participated a lot more over there. So now I know that I can participate whether I'm right or wrong, and I have confidence to do anything. It gave me so much confidence because the teachers are asking me to sing, and trust me, I love the singing. I love the singing classes. But I would feel so nervous, and my voice would just crack off.
Right.
But then it just felt so comfy, and then I felt in my own space. So
That's so
really
nice.
nice.
Yeah, that's great.
I think mainly all the material that we had to learn and like being able to like put in the practice and know that I remember everything and I can do everything, and that felt good.
Yeah.
And also maybe because of this, next time I'm hoping I'll be a little less nervous. it was a good experience. Nothing went drastically wrong.
Yeah.
and had a lot of fun. So I think
So speaking of Dubai, did you guys get this chance to explore?
I got to go like the first day. We went to the Dubai Mall.
Okay.
And I like we saw the fountains over there in the
Yeah.
mall, right? And then second day we went to Burj Khalifa. Third day we didn't go anywhere because of her work.
Okay.
Then fourth day we went to again Dubai Mall to see the to see the aquarium.
Mhm.
And then on the 2 more days I stayed there, like after the intensive. First on Saturday I went to this museum, like museum of the future of something. I don't know what it is. Museum of the future. So they gave us like little passports there. So then we could like tick off every room that we've done. And
Wow.
it's actually so futuristic.
Okay.
Design. And on Sunday left.
Yeah.
there's a also.
Yeah, the first day that we went the 7th Monday.
Yeah.
I mean Sunday, sorry. We went to the desert. It was like good, but then Dune Passion was lovely.
Oh.
So it was peak summer. It's like 15.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow. Okay. What about you, Maya?
We didn't go anywhere during the intensive because we were staying for a few days afterwards.
Okay.
So, because this was not located in Dubai, it was at like a tech park near Dubai called Silicon Oasis.
Oh,
So
okay.
it was actually a really pretty neighborhood, very like a model city, like
Wow, okay.
like very so cute. So it was nice. And then afterwards we went to Dubai. Yeah, we went to Dubai Mall.
Okay.
And then I went ice skating in the mall, which was really nice.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Yeah. I did a jewelry making workshop there, so it was really nice.
Yeah.
I really recommend that to anyone who goes there because
Okay.
otherwise you just get this impression of Dubai as like just malls and like fun stuff. But when you actually understand their
The
history,
history,
you
yeah.
appreciate that place so much because everything they've come through and everything they've done, it's really amazing.
Yeah.
That was really nice. Then we went to this beautiful museum called Al Shindada. It was like a history of Dubai museum set in this. They had like 17 like old vintage houses.
Wow.
They renovated them and made each one into a museum about a certain aspect.
Okay.
There's like one about pole diving because there's like the whole economy started out on pole diving. That was nice.
Yeah. So guys, do you guys have any future intensives planned maybe this year or next year?
Yeah, I'm wanting to go to the Australian Ballet Intensive.
Okay.
So not this January because I will wait till I'm in a slightly higher grade so I can make the most of the intensive because I want to go to the senior one. So I'm waiting for that one.
Okay.
And before that, if something comes up, definitely. But
Yeah. What about you?
Like I most probably won't go like this year because I want to focus on studies also of school.
Very true.
So next year definitely if I get like an amazing opportunity like this one, I will go.
So guys, both of you have done like y'all are so cool for this. You've done such a huge thing, like going from sitting in your white jacket in the first day, to like hugging each other, hugging people you met 5 days ago behind a stage and yelling. So thank you guys so much for this. This was so fun learning about your journey. Yeah.
enjoyed being here.
Yeah.
Enjoyed chatting with you.
Thank you.